A year ago, I made a decision that I was going to start making money online. I didn't really know how, but guess what? At that point in my life, I was so frustrated. I was so broke. I was always wondering, how will I pay off my next bill? Who is going to help me? Because guess what? Nobody is coming to save you. I was really, really broke and I was so frustrated. And I decided to make the decision that I'm going to start making money online. But I didn't really know how. But guess what? I am so glad I made that decision because today I can probably tell you that I've made money in the online space. And this is why I'm going to be sharing this video with you guys. If you're someone that you are really broke, you want to increase your source of income, you're tired of being stagnant, you want to like start making more money, this video is definitely for you. So make sure to stick around to the very end of this video because I have valuable things to share with you that will actually help you get rich before you know it. Coming across my video for the first time, I am Tiffany Ogumike, a social media manager. I talk about how to make money in the online space, and I also talk about how you can leverage social media to be able to grow your business. If this sounds like something you are going to be interested in, make sure to subscribe and turn on my post notification so that you can be notified whenever I make a new post. So now back to what I have for you guys today. We are going to be talking about 5 high income skills that is going to like turn your life around in the next 3 months. That is going to make you really rich. That is going to take you out of that abject poverty to a place of abundance. So let's quickly get right into it. The first skill I'm going to be sharing with you right now is sales. Sales is an amazing skill. Okay, look at in the world right now. Can we even count how many businesses is in the world? There is millions of businesses, and these businesses, one thing they have in common is that they all want to make sales. Because there is no business without sales. There is no how you can be able to grow as a business without actually making money, generating revenue. So having a sales skill, you are so freaking going to be wanted. It's a high in demand skill because like look at the millions of businesses we have today, and those businesses are trying to make them money, are trying to sell their products or services. So they need someone with a sales skill that is going to guide them and help them to make sales in their business. So sales is actually like a very good skill that you need to learn and start helping businesses. If you are somebody that you like to sell, because there are people that is already a part of them. They like to encourage somebody to do something. In fact, first of all, when you hear about sales, you think sales is all about something technical, something difficult. No. Have you ever had a friend that whenever, like, let's say now they go to a very nice restaurant and they eat their food and they really love it, and they would always like start bugging you, telling you, "Oh my God, you will love this food. It's so fantastic. The environment is given, everything, blah blah blah." That your friend has a sales skill. But most times people actually think that sales is about only technical stuff. No, sales is when you can convince people and tell people about a reason why they will love what you want them to love and all of that stuff. So if you can be able to like help these businesses talk to their customers, make them like get interested in the product of those businesses, you already have a sales skills and you are on your way to making yourself a good amount of money. I'm so excited for you already. So sales is one of it. Now, the second skill I'm going to talk about is copywriting. Copywriting is an amazing skill. Okay, look at social media today. I know basically social media. In fact, everything when it comes to like marketing, ads, and whatever. If you watch, I don't know whether you have been going to somewhere before and you see a billboard like an advert and whatever that captivated your eyes because of a write-up, something intriguing, something daring. That is actually copywriting. Copywriting is an amazing skill when it comes to business. Oh my God, don't even play. People make good amounts of money for just being copywriters. For just writing, I mean, pick up your pen. You don't even have to show your face, right? Trust me. So, like, basically, copywriting is an amazing skill. I don't think it's something really technical because it's not, except if you're like working with brands that deal on technical stuff like the blockchains, Web3, and all of that stuff. But if you're working with like e-commerce, whatever, it's just going to be basically like normal. All you just have to do is to like write something really amazing that is intriguing. That once somebody sees what you wrote, they would like to read it to the very end. which means your writing and whatever you are saying is speaking directly to their soul. In fact, copywriting is very good. So it's an amazing skill that you should try out, and it is very much high in demand, because why not? All these ads, all this content, all these things that you're seeing online, who do you think is writing it? It's a copywriter. So copywriting is an amazing skill on its own. So if it's something, if you're already somebody that you love writing, if you're somebody that you like putting in your emotions to writing, copywriting is going to be your freaking thing. So go ahead and consider it as a skill that you want to learn to make yourself a good amount of money. The next skill I'm going to talk about is video editing. Oh my god, have you seen everywhere? Video is trending. I mean, like, when it even comes to content on social media, like, people are steady clicking videos more than they even read the text. So video editing is one amazing skill right now in the market. It's a freaking hot cake, because guess what? All those brands, all those businesses, all those personal brands, they need someone to edit their videos. And if you're a video editor, you like to play around with videos and all of those animation, whatever, this skill is basically going to be for you. Because, like, already, if it's something that you love doing or something that interests you, you can easily become a video editor and work for this amazing brand. Because look at right now, there are thousands of videos. Go right now and scroll on Instagram. How many videos do you see daily? Don't you know that it's video editors that are doing that? So if you really want to make you this money, video editing is something that you should consider. So the next skill I'm going to suggest for you is marketing. Oh my god, like, where do I even start from? You know, I'm a marketer, right? As I told you at the beginning of this video, I was like, I made a decision to start making money online, right? So I decided at the end of the day that I was going to do social media marketing. So marketing is my thing. Marketing, oh my god, marketing is money. Marketing is gold, because there is no business without marketing. Like, I mean, any business cannot legit succeed without marketing, because marketing is how you let people know about your business. Marketing is how you, like, tell people to, look at me. I want your money. I want to offer you this. I feel like you get me, right? So marketing is actually an amazing skill for you, and it's so freaking easy to learn. You can even start off by enrolling yourself on online courses and da, which I know that is something you can do. All you need is to be committed for, like, at least a month or two to get started anyways. So marketing actually pays a huge amount of money. So in marketing, you have to choose your path, whether it's product marketing, social media marketing. But marketing at large is a very large niche, so there is always a place for everybody. So marketing is an amazing high in demand skills, because all these businesses we are seeing today, how do you think they are going to, start growing and making money? It's through marketing. So marketing is a skill that will never die. So you go get this skill and start making money just like I did. The next skill I'm going to talk about is content writing. This is superb. Okay, just like copywriting, if you love to write, this is your thing. If you're already somebody that likes to express yourself through writing, you don't even need to look for any other skill. Like, just get started. I mean, start writing, because I basically even said to someone on Twitter that if you want to learn how to start writing, you have to start writing. That is how you learn how to write, because basically you don't need somebody to, like, walk you, to get started. You actually, like, need to start writing, and you can be able to, like, learn from other people. So content writing is amazing. The reason why is because there is content on social media. Everybody is posting content. In fact, content is high in demand. There is no social media without content. And who are the people writing this content? It is content writer. So if you become a content writer, you are freaking good to go. Trust me. So this is an amazing skill for you to start making you good amount of money. And I'm very sure you can be able to earn at least $900 and above. The next skill I'm going to be talking about is podcast editing. Like, this is an amazing skill for you. Don't even freaking joke. If you check right now, if you look left, this person is a podcaster. If you look right, this person is a podcaster. People are listening to podcasts more, basically because it's easier to, like, hear what somebody is saying than when you are, like, reading and all of that stuff. Because people can be listening to a podcast while driving, while exercising, while doing so many things, right? Why even doing dishes? So people are, like, communicating and, doing whatever business they are doing through podcasts. So like podcast editors are high in demand because those podcasters need someone to edit those audios because they cannot just upload it just like that. Including me, I have a podcast called Flip the Social Switch. I also like hired a podcast editor. So I spend money because guess what? I don't have the skill. So if you're somebody that you really like want to make this money, you can consider podcast editing. It's an amazing skill, and there are already free tools that you can start, playing around with to get started. And you go get the skill so that you don't regret it. So now, what skill are you going to choose to do after watching this video? Are you going to become a video editor? Are you going to become a content writer? Are you going to be a marketer? Are you going to be a salesperson? Are you going to be a podcast editor? Whichever one you decide, let me know down below. I'm going to be so much interested in your process. I really cannot wait for you to start making this money. And trust me, if you actually like giving your best, because this thing is not rocket science, it's something very practical. When you make up your mind that this is what you're going to do, for instance, you decide that you want to get into video editing, you are going to like see yourself very successful in the next 3 months if you legit commit to it. So I just cannot wait to hear from you guys which one you are going to be choosing. Let me know down below, and I'm going to be waiting for you. So now we have finally come to the end of this video. I am really excited for you. I just cannot wait for you to start making money. So do me a favor, share the video with any of your friends and family that is going to find it helpful. Anybody looking to make money, anybody looking to increase their source of income, anybody looking to learn a new skill that needs recommendation and all of that stuff. And also leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe right now and turn on my post notification for my next video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.